Another area you can make your own is the lock screen. You can add a widget at the top, and the options you see here depend on the apps you have installed on your iPad. From there, you can customize the font and color of the time, and even adjust its size to match the look you're going for. You can also experiment with the background color. It is the same option you get for the home screen, so changing it here also affects the home screen.